Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here from Netherlands, and without further ado, let's check it out. What I want to do, we wanna make software or a dashboard, or let me say that a chart. Like for example, let me go here. If I'm clicking now, right now here, for example, and I say here I have here data. 1 year later. Come on, boy. Okay, you see this line chart. Uh, we want to check how we are be able to make something like this in Python and a chart as dash. But this is, for example, it is one day limit, and we want to, for example, to make it for lifetime. Okay, and without further ado, I have here an empty console. Here I have trained some about something, and I'm coming here. uh, just starting from here. As you see here, first line, I have import some of libraries that I need to use, and these are standard things. And let's begin with the code. And yeah, if you follow my channel, we have worked too much with CoinMarketCap, and I found some other web page for this one, coincap.io. This is a web page, and we are be able also to ask or to get. This is an API, and let me do like this API dot. Let me check it out. CoinCap. Uh, coincap.io, like this, and I'm say this one. If I coming here in this endpoint, I get all things, price, about all cryptocurrencies. And if you take a look here, coincap.io, this is front end. You see, you get the price about all of coins. But take a look here a big data. In the last chapters you saw how we are be able to parse this data, but we want to make something else, other methods. Okay, and CoinCap, and thus we are going to use this endpoint to get our data. And for that thing, I'm saying here, for example, this is a JSON format, and I'm saying here coin information. Coin information is equal to JSON because that's a JSON format, and I'm going to load that, and that's loads. And there I say I want to make a request. Requests dot get, and my URL or URL was this one. Even kijken here, and that's fine still. And I say here dot content dot get, let me see what this is this is this. This is this. And I'm saying here dot content, damn it, content dot what is this now? Dot get, I'm making now this. Let me check it out, or it is okay. Yeah, it sounds good. Let's continue, and if something happened, we are fixing it. Okay. Like this. Okay. This is the first. This is a rate. In a chart, what we have in a chart? In a chart, we have X and Y. Okay? Price and time, for example. What is it now? Oh, you damn it. We have X and Y, horizontal, vertical. This give us price. And this one give us time. Okay, for example, time and the price and time. Okay, and now I'm saying, okay, I'm making a rate here, current rate. Current rate is equal to 0 at the time. Okay, here guys, take a look here. When I'm calling that API, I get too many data. Okay, but here I want to have only Bitcoin. What should I do? How can I get only Bitcoin here from this big list? Just a for loop. And I say here for coin information, or for coin, or for coin, this is just new variable. In coin information, if coin dot get symbol is equal to BTC, because BTC is like this on that page. If that happens, you say just make a for loop there. When you hit Bitcoin BTC, when you hit that, I'm making a variable again. I say here PD dot data frame. I'm making with the help of pandas here. These are just pandas. PD.date frame, and here I have parentheses, and I want to make here like this date time is right now, date time UTC.now. Let me see which one I can. Yeah, here UTC now. I have here date UTC now, and something more. It tell me, it say it has other thing, say collection none, but I want I want to say here is coming current rate. Okay, and I'm saying here, okay, if current rate is coming here, after that make it close again. Here I'm making one more square barrack, and here after that, sorry, columns, check which columns we want to show and we want to make a deal with. That's a time and price, or with other word rate. And that is rate, and check it out. I'm missing something here. I have to say. Oh yeah, now, wait. The current rate. Here we have initialize current rate and give price, and the price is coin dot get. In that chart, you see that is like this: rate USD, and that's not an integer, that's a type of float because it's 50,000 and comma something that, and here and here all in parentheses and just cast it with float. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, let me check it out. And here that was first and last update time is equal to right now, because we want to make a live application dot UTC now. Okay, but let me check it out. If I do like this, I think that's okay. Okay, reformat the file. Then okay. Sorry guys, I don't know what's happened with me. Okay, next one. Now we wanna make here is app is equal to dash. I'm talking little bit because I want to make it finish as soon as possible. Okay, the server, and here I say app.layout. App.layout is equal to HTML dot div. Standard syntaxes to make children with one L, children equal to this one, children is equal to BTC rate, children is equal to rate, and style is equal to text align center. Center, and here close, and here first close it, and then what is it? App.layout is equal to HTML.div. Children is equal to HTML. Oh yeah, HTML.h1, and like this. This is right now. Okay, syntaxes. Okay, and here let me say HTML.h3 ID is equal to last update time, for example, last update time, and here like this, and I say style is equal to style is equal to text align again center. I'm copying this, copying this here, next, text align, and this one I don't want it, and I say here like this. Okay, and now okay. And here again, let me check. Okay, this is not necessary, and I'm saying here HTML dot, for example, h1. Okay, I say here h1. When I'm saying h1, you know that what's h1, header 1, that big text, bold text. And here I'm saying like this standard syntax. Let's like this, and here inside of my parenthesis, and I say here children is equal to some empty things, and later is coming something, and a style again like this. I like when I copy and paste. When I not be able to copy and paste, it's not really good. Center, and just style center, and here close this, and with that this is okay also. Okay, now we want to make a div. Let's check it out. A div. Okay, I'm saying here enter HTML dot div, again children, in that children, okay, I have other HTML dot div. I have two div, sort of type of nested div, like something like that, you know. Children, again in children again we have sort of type of barrack, and then I'm saying let me check it out. Okay, here I have HTML.h3, for example, and here in that h3 I say I have ID to take control about this, and that's rate text, for example. Rate text, and I say here children is equal to latest BTC rate, for example. Okay, and here, because this is just style, for to make it some beautiful style, is equal to text align again center. Just text align center, nothing more, nothing more. Like this. So Okay, like this, and I'm putting this one here also. And here again, what I want to say, I want to copy this again. Here, just paste it. Just paste it again. Uh, but here I say I don't want H3, say H2 for example, and ID is just, I don't know, I'm not good in naming rate like that. And here children, I don't need it, and I think that's okay, but uh, let me after center we need a button. Let's make it a button also. Bottom, I want to make a bottom margin from up, but I think yeah, I need that. uh, uh, example this, I do this, and here I say again style, and now let's make a border for it is, I don't like really this damn sham CSS. It's a border, and it's again for example 3 pixel, black, solid of dash dot of, I don't know, solid, and that's this, I do like this, and I do like this, and I say here HTML dot div, again a div. We have again children. This is some standard things that you get it. You see, when you pass something, you say these are possible values, or those things. I say here I want something like this, HTML div, and after that children, DCC document dash core components dot, I want to import something from that, and what's that, and that is a graph, and import it from dash core component, and this graph has an ID, and that is like, I don't know, plot, like this, closing it, and I say style, wait me, after DCC graph ID, I've made that ID, and I'm closing it, and after that, and I say style is equal to again this border, I want really to have this, because I'm going to copy this style like this, this is that graph, that's okay. I'm closing it like this, and I say here the style again, style is equal to, I make it style width 100%, like this. Height 90%, and select all CSS float left. Just we are going to put position at the elements and just make it some beautifulity and those things what I don't like really. Display when I say display inline, for example, inline black, and again border, and here here wait, here I think here for border we need to do this. I say after that give me like this border 2 pixel, pixel blacked, for example, solid black and solid. Okay, after solid I say okay like this, but we miss something now here. Okay, let me check it out again. Here I had style border, here I had other style border, style border I'm going to like this. Okay, here what I want to say now, I'm telling you. And now let's continue. I don't know, let's continue, and I want to import something, interval. And here again I say here ID of this is interval, for example, component, just this interval is equal to 5000, for example. You can change it also. It is just 5 seconds, it's milliseconds, and intervals is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0, and like this and like this. Okay, and here I say HTML dot again div, and here what we get as ID, that intermediate value, intermediate value, and here children. What are children? What are children? Our database. What was our database? df line. Okay, you see this here, df line, or let me see here. I'm going to use now df line. As you know that we are using other variables to other functions. And I say here df underscore line that we had dot to JSON. Okay, dot to JSON, and here in that date format. These are all standards, nothing to explain about that. Okay, date, I want to say date is also some standard thing, and orient, for example orient, I'm saying you orient, this is also split, and here close it again. Style is equal to style is again, for example, display none. Like this, like this. Okay, let's take a look what is problem here. Let's see what is problem here. We have some syntax problem. html.div div children. After that, html div children, html dot header 3 id rate text, and then children style center, and that's okay. html h1 id rate style, text align center, margin from up, margin from up is like this, and style is a border, style is border, why like this? Style is border 2 pixel or 3 pixel, black, solid, but here missing something. Okay, and just let me check it out. Style border 3 pixel solid. After that, close this, and then okay, html div children again. This is the html.div children again, and in that this is the dot graph, this pilot id is pilot, and style style border like this. Oh yeah, okay. And now here even kijken. And now this is, let me see, Okay, now let's check it out, or we get something. I don't think so. From me, it say from dash. Okay, again. It has this one we have to change also. Let's see. From dash import DCC. From dash import DCC. And line 286. No problem. 286. 286. Okay, let's continue. I want to make an method like now here, and it's a simple callback, app.callback, and I want to say this app.callback has those things. It has one output, okay, one output, and what's that? It has one output, and that is this output is just that intermediate value, intermediate dash value, what we declared up, okay. And then I'm saying here say children, okay. I'm saying here like children like this, and this, and then we have input, and our input is our interval, okay, that we declare interval dash component. Where here you see that it's coming here, component, and here again we have an on the underline interval, if am I not wrong, an interval, where was it, an interval, yeah, here, intervals, okay, an interval, okay. I don't know with S or without S, and here say this one more. It has also a state. State is gonna say it doesn't matter, it's not necessary, but let's take a look. State intermediate value is one of those, like this, and again children, children, oh, you children, okay, and again children, and let me check it out, and again children, and again children, okay. Now this is callback. Now let's define our method. Def I say def cleaning data, and this method accept two things: value, okay, and first JSON old, for example, first incoming JSON, because it's going to update himself, okay. And in that one I'm say here df underline old, for example, is equal to JSON dot load. Let me see, I have to download it. I have it, boy. Why should I write it again? All the data is this. Okay, let's check it out. All data is this, and I say again current rate is equal to 0 again, and again I want to search it for coin in coin info, or wait me, no, I say like this is mine, and I say here df underline old, and I say and df dot old is equal to pd dot read JSON old orient is equal to split okay. And here for loop is, I'm saying here in coin info, so here in coin info if coin.get symbol is equal to PCC again, current rate is equal to, I think we got there, like this, okay. And here df underline current is equal to pd, let me check it out, say here pd dot data frame daytime UTC now, daytime UTC now, current rate column time, and I write it bad time, and that's, and I say df underline new is equal to df old, and that's df old dot append df old append df underline current df current, and then ignore index 2. never mind what is index, and here return me df underline new dot tail. These are pandas, Mir, and you have to improve your pandas, and I am also new on that, to JSON. And then I'm saying date underline format is equal to, again, standard ISO, and I say orient split. Okay, and now I want other method, callback, and this method has also, where are they, I want to copy them here. I think we should use this, yes, here, give me this one, app callback, and in this app callback output last update time I want to have, last update time, last update time, children input, interval component, and again intervals. And what is that function? That function is to say update time, update underline time, and it accepts a parameter, for example. Come back like this, and here just return, it wants to say just update the time, nothing special. Last time, and I say like this, dot format date time dot UTC now. Okay, date time UTC now, for example. I'm fooling that somewhere is going not okay. And what is that? I do like this, okay, and UTC now, and let me check it out. And again, let me check it out. Yes, that's this one. What's this? Okay, I want other callback dot callback and this one has again output, this one output, take a look, output here we declare this one plot helemaal in our code, and I show you, and that was plot, and that is a figure. Here, okay, plot figure, and here input is going to be intermediate value children. Children, okay? One input, one output. Say children, and that's okay. And now I'm saying def update life. In update life we get JSON1, for example, okay? JSON1, and you see df df underline go pd dot read JSON from this time JSON1 orient is equal to split dot tail 500. Figure is equal to make sub. These are all the standard things. Okay, you see standard intern methods, and I do nothing. Fig dot add. Take a look. You see all trace where add underline trace, and that is, take a look, go dot which type of figure do you want to have. For example, scatter or line. Scatter, you see you got all of them. So scatter, and in that scatter it has x and y, okay? And in the x is equal to df underline go, give me time, and here give me y is equal to df again go, but this time I want rate. And what is rate? Price. rate and rate should use this. Okay, and I'm saying mode is equal to line, because we want to, from this to next, change line in a line. Okay, I'm saying lines plus lines plus markers, for example, and here just like this name, I'm saying and name device, for example. You name what you want. And name devices. Name devices, okay? And here I say fig dot update dot update layout, because we want to update our layout. And here in that I say HTML title title underline title underline text is equal to last rate, for example, and I say universion UIR let's see. Like this. Oh, you have it there, boy. Okay, and here returned fig. Okay, let's return fig, and let me really let's check it out, or we get something. 286. 286. Let's see. 286. What is happened there? 286. What is the problem there? 286. Let me check it out. App.layout. Let me check it out, guys. HTML.h1 children oh all children. Yeah. Let's see, or we can get Bitcoin price at the lifetime. This is Bitcoin price, huh? Wait. This is Bitcoin price. What you see there, and you see 42865. 42865. You see. Let's see. This is the price. 4285 and 4298, and this is differences between those web pages. And take a look here. Now we get a live data. Take a look. I'm putting here, it's 1 minute and it's live. It should follow that chart. You see that? And it is just beautiful one. You see, you are be able to get price live. You see this? And this is the price. And I say I want to see here, or okay, like this. We make interactive page with dash. I'm not also really professional on this, and I am learning also, and was a good challenge. I see you in next one. Have a nice day.